Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about our first chapter, chemical reactions and equations in chemistry. Actually, in the 10th standard you have 5 chapters. This is the first chapter and the second chapter is acid, bases and salt. And you have the third chapter, metals and non-metals. And the fourth chapter is carbon compounds. The final chapter is periodic classifications of elements. Okay, already we discussed different elements and its classifications group wise, period wise in the vacation class. And today we are going to discuss about two types of changes, physical changes and chemical changes. In our daily life, we can see some changes, the melting of ice. In the melting of ice, the ice become water. In that change, can you see the solid ice into liquid water? Actually, it's a physical change. We have a number of physical changes in our daily life. And today, just we have to understand about chemical changes. A chemical change involves four things: change in state, change in color, evolution of a gas, change in temperature. I gave you an example, the thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate. This calcium carbonate is changing into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Now I told you thermal decomposition. You know one thing, there is four types of chemical reactions: combination reactions, decomposition reaction, double displacement reaction, displacement reaction. In combination reactions, the molecules or atoms are combined together to form a single product. So you should know reactant and product. Reactants are the atoms or molecules or substances which undergo a chemical reaction, and products which are the result of a chemical reaction. In this reaction, see, this is the reactant. Can you see one calcium, one carbon, three oxygen? This is a calcium carbonate molecule. Here the molecule is changing into two different molecule. From calcium carbonate, you will get calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. I told you this is a thermal decomposition. In this chapter, deeply we will discuss different types of reactions. Today I am giving only the basic what a chemical change means. And I gave you the example. In this example, can you see one gas is evolved? This is the gas carbon dioxide. Evolution of a gas is happening in this reaction. And change in state, that is also happening, because you know calcium carbonate is a solid, while calcium oxide is a solid, but carbon dioxide is a gas. Carbon dioxide is a gas. You will get, already you got carbon dioxide as a product. Its physical state is gas, gaseous state. You should know some things. The state of a substance is classified into four types: solid, liquid, gas, and aqueous. Aqueous means if a substance is soluble in water, it is aqueous. We can represent AQ, aqueous. For aqueous, we will give the symbol AQ. For solid, we will give S. For liquid, we can give L. For gas, we can give G. For aqueous, we can give AQ. These are the symbols of different state. Okay, students, just Today I'm giving some basic concept only, that is the chemical changes. In a chemical change, you will see four types of conditions: change in state, change in color, evolution of a gas, change in temperature. Actually, there is a change in temperature is happening in the given reaction, because in a thermal decomposition reaction, calcium carbonate takes heat energy, that is endothermic reaction. You have exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. Today I gave you number of terms: endothermic, exothermic, combination, decomposition. We will discuss every concept and every terms in the future. So see the reaction: calcium carbonate, its state is solid, and calcium oxide, its state is also solid. But for carbon dioxide, it is a gas. Carbon dioxide is a gas. So a chemical change should have change in state, change in color, evolution of a gas, change in temperature. And we have to discuss a combination reaction, decomposition reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation, reduction, and rancidity, as well as corrosion. That are the 7 terms in the first chapter. And in the very next class, I will give you a brief discussion about reactant, product, and different states, and different examples of different reactions. Everything I will give in the very next class. Today I gave you the just introduction only. Thank you for hearing me.